Good morning once more. So this is how you can find good keywords for Google Ads. Even if you're not going to use Google Ads, set up an ad. There's also you can, which this video isn't really about that. So it's just discovering new keyword ideas. So say you put in, I don't know, make money online. So you just, in case you missed that. So explore keyword planner and discover new keywords. So you just type in make money online and then you get the results here. We don't want to see, you know what all that is. So here it's quite good compared to um, other keyword tools. It just comes up with um, the probability is it medium, high, or low, which this one does. It's actually giving you the average monthly searches that you get. So with this, broaden your search, it's giving you um, sort of keywords that you could have. I wouldn't rush into anything just yet. So we look at these. Um, so it's saying make money online 10,000 to 100,000. And it's medium, and then what it'll cost to run Google Ads, but you might have to pay more than a pound for that. And there's online earning, and then what that will cost. But we maybe want to look at some low. Too fast there. So there's high, and then if it's, notice here, if it's high competition, it costs a lot more. For it. So this one here is quite good. It's only 1,000 to 10,000 a month, but maybe if our business couple of sales gets you 1,000. So this is low, and then you can bid 26 pence if you're to run a Google ad, and you wouldn't pay more than 73 pence a click. Still quite high. Maybe want to pay about 40 pence, and then there's it's really high, but you're getting a lot of searches with what's actually 100 to 1,000, so it's like £5, so that's too high as well. Some of these are sought after keywords, so that's one's a lot better. Swag bucks, the keyword for that, and it's no more than 60 pence a click. And there's actually loads of searches here. So you maybe want some high, some medium, just depends what your budget is, to be honest. And then there's our money keyword there, and I can get for 24 pence no more than 58 pence, so that's actually quite good as well. So it's just you could use that for Google Ads, or even if you're not, you can just get ideas. So this is some Google offers for free. I think you need to create a free account. So this is let's try and get the right keywords, and the Google Ads Keyword Planner is a good tool. And if you want to see our business, that's on the inside. We hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.